Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has raised concerns over the proposed Lok Sabha delimitation, claiming that it threatens to reduce Tamil Nadu's representation in the lower house. He stated that the state could lose 8 seats, dropping from 39 to 31 MPs. Stalin attributed this to Tamil Nadu's successful family planning programs, which led to a controlled population growth. He emphasized that this reduction would be a direct result of the delimitation process, which uses population as a basis for allocating seats. Stalin, in his statement, expressed that the state was ready for another language war in response to the delimitation proposal. He also announced plans to convene an all-party meeting on March 5 to discuss the issue, inviting about 40 political parties. He urged for political unity, highlighting that southern states, particularly Tamil Nadu, face a significant threat from the delimitation process. So what is the Lok Sabha delimitation? Well, delimitation is the process of redrawing the boundaries of constituencies based on population. It ensures that constituencies have equal populations. The Delimitation Commission, formed every few decades, conducts this process. The next commission is due to be formed after 2026 using census data to adjust boundaries and seating allocations. But why southern states are concerned over it? Well, southern states like Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka fear that the representation will decrease as they have successfully controlled their population through policies like family planning. In contrast, northern states like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Jharkhand may see an increase in seats due to their higher populations. Experts suggest that by 2026, the Lok Sabha strength could rise to 846, with states like Uttar Pradesh potentially gaining 63 additional seats. Likewise, other Hindi belt states like Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh and others would also see an increase as per proportion to their population by 2026. But it is yet to be seen what happens by that time. Till then, keep watching India TV News English for latest updates on the issue.